Thank you for choosing Cash Tracks Financial and myself, Marcelino Dodge, to assist in completing your 2024 tax return. Here are a few tips and reminders for you. Please review the attached engagement letter for 2024 and electronically sign the letter. You will also be receiving an electronic organizer that we will need you to complete in its entirety and also answer each of the questions in the organizer. At that time, you will be able to upload your documents in only the PDF format. If you're unable to have a scanner to do so, we ask that you please use the TaxDome app on your mobile device. There is a built-in scanner that will allow you to scan multiple pages into one document so that you can easily then upload all of your tax documents to the TaxDome portal for us to review. We will only be accepting documents in the PDF format. So it is absolutely essential that you either use the TaxDome app or another means to get all your documents into the PDF format. This year, as I had sent out notice in October, November, and by email in December, we will be requiring an upfront deposit or payment before we begin working on your tax return. Attached to this engagement letter is an invoice of $300 that you do need to pay before we will begin working on your tax return. This year, for 2024, we are also introducing the opportunity to enroll in a 2024 IRS insurance plan. With this plan, we will review any IRS or State Department of Revenue notice that you receive during the year in regards to your 2024 tax return. If you do not enroll in this insurance plan, you will be charged our review fee of $350 to review the notice. So we encourage everyone to enroll in the IRS insurance plan, which operates just like a AAA card, so that if you have it and you need it, it is there for you to save you some money. This is Marcelino Dodge, and again, I am so grateful that you have chosen us to complete your 2024 tax return. Please complete all the steps, and we'll look forward to talking to you and sending you the information later on of a beautifully completed tax return so that you are fully compliant for the 2024 tax year. Thanks for choosing Cash Tracks Financial.